Hello students, welcome to Crack Grade B online learning platform. Today in this video lecture, we are going to discuss 90 days study plan for working aspirants and non-working aspirants. And this plan is in line with our content because our static content for ESI FM is crisp and more specific to this for this exam, and it is of approximate 1500 pages, so that you can easily cover in 60 days. Even if you are working, non-working, anyone can cover all the content in 60 days. So I will show you the plan. This is for working candidates. First I will show you the work for the working candidates. I have divided in a different part, so all three subjects we are covering parallel. So first you have to study economics and social issue day one. You can schedule your plan according to this plan, and you can divide a time according to this plan, and you can start preparation. So first is chapter is for economics and social issue. I will suggest you to study this topic. Second one is inflation, because these are the two important topics, and these are the means based on the concept. So you should know the concept of national income, GDP, and inflation. That is very important, and everywhere it is being used. These GDP and inflation is being used in current affair also, so that's why I suggested to study these topics. So it is of 22 pages only, our content, and that is more than enough, and you can easily cover in one day. And parallel to this, I have kept blank for the quant reasoning English. I will advise for the working candidates, it will be better to study the quant reasoning English on the weekends. So daily you have to study the current affairs. Daily you have to study the current affair from PIB and RBI circulars in our this newspaper current affair plus PIB current affair plus RBI circular. That it will take around 1 hour, 1 or 2 hour, whatever time you want to spend. But I will suggest you to cover the current affair from today onwards, whenever you are going to start the preparation daily basis. So even you are spending, suppose you are spending 4 to 5 hours daily, then you can cover such content. Second is inflation, 14 page content, you can finish it in one day. Same thing, current affair you have to study daily. And parallel schemes of rural development ministry you have to cover in 2 days. 2 days I have allocated. So half schemes you can study on this second day. Third day, remaining schemes of the rural development you have to cover. Parallel inflation chapter you have to study. It is not bulky content, so you can easily cover. Approximate 30 pages habit you have to keep. Daily 30 days, daily 30 pages means आपको एक हैबिट बना लेनी है कि 30 पेजेस आपको डेली पढ़ने हैं. तो आप 60 दिन के अंदर 60 डेज में यू विल बी एबल टू कंप्लीट द कंटेंट. Next is Ministry of Panchayati Raj Jal Shakti, 20 pages content. In one day you can cover. Parallelly this RBI function and conduct of monetary policy. This is also an important topic. So in 2 days you can easily cover. Then this current affairs I have scheduled, you can see from here. Next is Introduction to Management. In this chapter you have to study the function of management, managerial roles. It is 44 pages and it can be done in 2 days, parallel to the schemes part also. Suppose 25 pages of schemes and other content related to women and children you are studying, then 10 to 20 pages of this you can easily cover, because management is a theory part. It can be easily done in short time also, because you don't have to understand the concept or anything. It is a theory. Simply you can easily understand this topic. Similar thing for the health, Ministry of Health, 30 pages you can cover in one day. And on weekends what you have to do, concept videos. If you are weak in quant reasoning, I will advise you spend more time on concept of quant and reasoning. English generally students do not require, only practice is required, so you can do. If you are weak in English, then you can watch concept videos and divide a time. Suppose you are studying, I will advise you at least spend 10 to 12 hours, 12 hours minimum on the weekends. For working students I am advising 12 hours minimum on the weekend. 2 days, Saturday, Sunday, you have to do this. At least 12 hours you have to study on the weekends. And on Sunday, you can do that revision of weekly current affair and descriptive question 1 or 2 question you can practice. I will advise you at least write one topic. One ESI question you can write, or one management question you can write. 2 question you can write. Next is Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, 30 pages, Labor and Employment, total 30 pages. Parallel to this, organization behavior, 15 pages content. Easily you can do in 2 days. Scheme, Ministry of Education, related scheme plus National Education Policy, 20 to 25 pages are there. Schemes related to Ministry of Finance, 34 pages. In 1 day you can cover this. Ministry of Social Justice and this Ministry of Minority Affairs, Ministry of Tribal Affairs, schemes related to the minorities. This is under the chapter underprivileged section of the society. So 3 days you can cover these schemes parallel to this banking system in India, and current developments related to the banking sector, that will be 40 pages you can cover in 2 days. Now comes to the motivation and theories, 29 pages in 2 days you can cover. Ministry of Housing, Urban Affairs schemes you can cover in 1 day parallel to this. Similarly, Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying, only important schemes you have to cover parallel to the leadership chapter, because suppose 30 pages you are studying from the leadership, 10 pages from the Ministry of this. Only important schemes of this ministry you have to study. And agriculture and farming, same important schemes plus remaining part of the leadership theories. Scheme related to industrial sector, MSME ministry schemes you have to study parallel to the primary and secondary market function. We have given 3 days for this. 20-25 pages you can study daily from the primary and secondary market. Miscellaneous new scheme will be 40 pages. 3 days we have allocated. So we have allocated a time like that. If you are studying daily 30 pages, then you can easily cover in the 60 days. Forex, money, bond market, 60 pages. 3 days we have allocated. Emotional intelligence concept, 20 pages in a single day you can do. Organization change, 18 pages in a single day you can study. Daily current affair will be there. Daily current affair you have to do. Risk management in banking sector, 28 pages in 1 day you can do, because we have not kept any other topic. Only for the easy topics we have kept parallel other topics like schemes we have kept in parallel. Those for the during those days when you have to study the easy topics. So these are the little bit concept based topic like primary this forex, money market. So we don't have I have not given other topic, other chapter, other syllabus topics to study parallel to this forex, money. If you are studying finance, only finance is there. This is also little bit concept based, so only I have kept this management on this day, organization change on this day. Risk management is a concept based topic, so only finance I have kept for this day. And basics of derivatives is also concept based, so 2 days I have given. So you can see that ethics at workplace 2 days, corporate governance 1 day, communication and morale 2 days, global financial market and international banking is 8 pages 1 day. And this current affair and weekly revision will be continue. Weekly practice of descriptive, 2 questions at least you have to practice every weekend. Alternate source of financing, financial inclusion 70 pages, so 3 days we have given you. Alternate source of finance, private social cost benefit, public private partnership, 20 days I have given. 20 pages for 2 days I have given. And in this you have to do one thing, that our content is 60-70% is printable, so highlight those points which you seems that you can go through the previous year. First I will advise you go through the previous year paper, that what type of questions they are asking, so accordingly you can highlight the important points, and that will help you in revision. Corporate governance in banking sector, 25 pages, 8 pages of global financial crisis, fintech 25 pages. And I also given a shared a PDF yesterday, a video also, that what topics you have to study, so according to you can get idea and you have to highlight the important facts. Now from here revision will be started. revision you can start from here. Poverty elevation, this is not revision, this is static on of ESI, and from here finance revision will be started. Sustainable development, 30 pages you can cover in one day. Here revision of this RBI function, monetary policy. From here you can start the revision of management, economic history of India. These are the state topics you can easily cover parallel to this revision. Here I have not kept revision because it will take time to understand the concept of this FRBM, GST, Finance Commission. Monetary policy you already studied in finance at the time, and economic survey budget it will take 2 days at least. So I have not kept any other during this, but current affair will be continued. Every day you have to spend 1 hour at least for the current affair. Opening up of Indian equity, balance of payment export, 15 pages only. One day you can cover. 30 pages for international financial institution you can cover in one day. Parallel to this, these are the revision I have kept for finance and management parallel, because these are the easy topics, so you can do the revision of finance on that day. Political economy revision day. Similarly, reports I have kept around 6 days, 80 to 100 pages, so you can easily cover the important reports. So these chapters I have given that how many pages are there and how many days you have to spend. Similarly, for revision, 1 day on each topic you have to spend for the finance and management. This I have given, explained here. This PDF is shared in Telegram channel, and in description of the video also I will put. Then after the completion, you know, no need to revise the static part of the ESI. Specifically, only 2 chapters you can do. One is inflation and inflation you will be studying in the doing revision in the finance also. So in national income, GDP you can revise. Then schemes you have to revise. Schemes are important because maximum question they will ask from the schemes and report section and PIB. So current affair you will be doing parallel, and weekly revision that is given. And from the day 61 you can start practice quiz or mock, whatever you want. Means topic wise quizzes for phase 1, query section you can do, or mock test you want to appear. But I will suggest you weekly go for the mock test on weekend, and daily do the practice of topic wise quizzes and read GA, and practice quizzes of GA also from day 61 you can start. That is important because it will help in cramming the fact and data. And weekend only you can use for the mock test, otherwise daily basis practice quizzes or topic wise quizzes I will suggest you. So you can easily cover this 90 days. You will be fully prepared for the RBI phase 2 as well and phase 1 as well. And phase 2, why I'm suggesting to cover and revise before the phase 1, because 20 to 25 questions you can cover from the phase 2 preparation in the GA part. So that's why I will suggest you to cover it before this phase 1, phase 2 as per this plan. And you can easily cover if you follow this plan. It is doable, it is not difficult. You have to spend 4 to 5 hours, but if some students take much time to understand the concept, so you can spend more also, but for that you have to sacrifice some part of your daily habits. So if you are many of the banking aspirants, they spend 12 hours in the job, so you will left only 12 hours. Then you have to travel, you have to sleep, so you can cut hours from your sleep, because I have seen many successful candidates, they have sacrificed their sleep hours. But you will get success if you will do hard work. If you would want to work hard and want to crack this exam, you have to do this, and accordingly you can plan. But 5 hours study is required, 4 to 5 hours daily, and weekend 12 hours minimum is required. So this is a plan for the working aspirants. And for non-working aspirant, I will show you. Only difference is There is no much difference, but only difference is daily you can working aspirant daily can follow concept video and quiz. They can do daily because they will be having 8 to 10 hours daily easily you have to spend, and because full day you will be preparing for this exam. So suppose 4 to 5 hours on 30 pages you are spending, and 4 to 5 hours you are spending on the quant reasoning English, and GA part daily you have to spend. So suppose 4 hours you are spending on the phase 2 preparation, 4 to 5 hours, 5 hours or 6 hours you have to spend on QRE and GA section. And only the changes no changes there. Revision of weekly current affair you have to do on every weekend, and practice of descriptive on every weekend. You have to do practice at least 2 questions, one from finance you can take, one from management. Next week ESI, or more you can write, it depends on you because you are fully preparing. So this is a plan. I will share in the link of this plan. I will be sharing in description of the video. We have shared this plan in our Telegram channel also. This plan is doable, so follow this plan. If any doubt you can write to us. So we have already told you that our content is more specific, and if you want to subscribe you can subscribe our content from the website crackgradeb.com. So I will show you that these are our courses for RBI Grade B, and there are 2 courses RBI Grade B phase 2 course of ESI and FM only. In this course it will cost to 2023 till 31st of December. After that we will definitely increase the prices. And ESI, FM and English, this will complete phase 2 content. Video lectures are there, plus test series 11 to this ESI, FM, English we will provide in this 3000 to 3023 course, and 2023 cost is for ESI, FM only. Test series of ESI and FM will be provided, plus my notes, video lecture, current affair, phase 1 current affair, everything you will get. You don't have to refer any other source. Everything, report, government scheme, you can see the description, and course content also is visible. You can see that finance MCQs, ESI, static part, video lectures, PIB compilation, everything you will get. Don't have to refer any other. Report section is separately, RBI circular section is there, report, budget, newspaper, current affair, everything you will get in this course, and is the doable in 60 days. You can easily cover and revise the content, and you can spend parallel time to your phase 1 preparation also. This is more specific content, it is more than enough. We are providing since 2018, and this content is more than enough. You have seen the success story of our candidates also. So thank you and happy learning.